Welcome back to my channel. It's Nasrut again. Make sure you watch this video to the end to benefit from this amazing topic, papaya. Some may call it pawpaw, but I'll be calling it papaya. And also subscribe to my channel for more videos about boosting our immune system in this critical time. Yes, I'll be doing series of videos on how to boost our immunity. So let's roll. Your immune system helps to protect your body from various diseases and infections. Papaya contains about 200% of your daily vitamin C requirement. 200%, which is very good. And papaya is also a good source of nutrients and important vitamins, minerals that are good for our body. With a high content of vitamins A, B, and C, its proteolytic enzymes such as papain and chemopapain have antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. All these help for the proper functioning of our body. Its high content of vitamin C also and high fiber content and a great source of carotenoid antioxidants helps to protect our arteries from cholesterol buildup by protecting the good cholesterol, which is the HDL, and reducing the bad cholesterol, which is the LDL. And we all know that high cholesterol level or buildup in our body, in our blood systems, can lead to cardiovascular complications and heart diseases, including heart attack and hypertension. So always include papaya. Make sure you also always include papaya in your diet. And it's also good for eye health. Its enrichedness with vitamin A helps in improving our eye health, preventing it from degeneration. It contains healthy antioxidants known as carotenoids, particularly Lycopene, which is good for our immune system. Papaya, as we know, also contains loads and loads of dietary fiber and contains unique enzymes called papain. I've said that before. And this enzyme helps to promote digestion by breaking down proteins, especially digestion of proteins, while also cleansing the digestive tract and promote its proper functioning. So it supports digestion in general. Yes, it aids digestion, so that's why you should always eat papaya. Although I know it's scarce in some seasons, but whenever you sight it, always go for it. It can also help in weight loss, because it make your weight loss much more easier, more fun if you include papaya in your diet, because of its high fiber content and low calories. Leaves you feeling full, that you don't have to eat so much, and also it clears your bowel movement easily, so weight loss will be made easier. And if you are the type or that suffer from diabetes, is an excellent food of choice. Yeah, it's an excellent food of choice for diabetic patients. It has low sugar content, and even though it is sweet to taste, if you eat papaya, you know it's very sweet. It's sweet to taste, so it's good for, although it is sweet, it's good for diabetic patients. And even eating it when you are not a diagnosed diabetic patient can help to prevent diabetes. You can see I'm going to make a smoothie with it with apple milk. You can add your water or other juice. But if you add your apple milk, you juice it, it's a perfect food for your breakfast, for your light breakfast. It's very, very good. If you have not tried it, make sure you try it. And what of the stress reduction? We all know that our body creates reactive molecules, which are called free radicals, during metabolism. This in turn promotes oxidative stress. Antioxidants, including carotenoids found in papayas, can neutralize these free radicals. And studies have shown, you can see it tastes always nice, tastes so nice. It's sugaring, and the sugaring is not too sugary. It's not too high, but it's really nice. You see, I'm going to use it now to make a smoothie. Just blend it with your milk or water or whatever to make your smoothie. Studies have shown that fermented papaya can reduce oxidative stress in older adults. So it's also a food for choice after a workout and stressful day at work. Is something you should go for. It will help to reduce your stress. And its high levels of vitamin C and lycopene in papaya protect your skin and reduces aging effect, making your skin more toned and youthful. You can see it now. It looks amazing. That's the smoothie. Yes, that's why most skin cream company always add papaya to their cream. So if you have see any cream that has papaya in it, go for it. It will give you a good result. It's good skin toned, youthful looking. As it's even said that it can reduce your age by 5 years. Yes, and it's very tasty. It's low sodium content also. Low sodium content is amazing for hydrating the skin and increasing its elasticity and suppleness. Though no wonder papaya is called the fruit of the angels. Yes, it is widely referred to as the fruit of his angels, the fruit of the angels. Yes, but papaya contains lots and lots of vitamins and low calories. It has calories, protein, potassium, folate, which is vitamin B9, vitamin C, which is about 157%, vitamin A, fiber, carbohydrate, and some traces of calcium, magnesium, vitamins B1, B3, B5, A, and K, and carotenoids too, particularly known as the lycopene. And your body absorbs antioxidant from papaya better than from fruits and vegetables, so it's nice. So thank you for watching my video. Be sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you. Bye bye.